Clippity clap, I'm a lobster. Come on.
Hi everyone and welcome to my channel Clumzy Lobster. If you're new here, my name is Saiba and I make videos on makeup, beauty, lifestyle and travel vlogs. So if there is anything that might interest you, please subscribe to my channel. So last week I got a bunch of weird skincare tools from Nykaa and they have just arrived, so I decided to test them out and check them how they really work. So the first tool that I got is this face cleaner, and this one is by Bronson Professionals. I'll make sure to link all the products in the description box below in case you want to check them out. So I'll be honest with you, this was a pretty harsh product to use on my face, and if I'm ever given a choice to choose between washing my face with my hands or this, I am definitely going to choose my hands. However, you can use this in case your skin is really feeling dead or if there are some dark spots. So the second product I got is this eyebrow tool, and I've been seeing this quite a lot on Instagram, so I decided to put it to a test. Now I don't know if this was particularly a defective product or what, but it was not really removing my eyebrows properly. You had to be very precise to remove one single strand of hair. And I was also very afraid to use this because I was just wondering if it will just take out my entire eyebrow. But I'm going to stick to traditional ways of doing my brows. The next tool I got is this face roller, and you are supposed to apply some oil on your face and then you're going to use the face roller. To be honest, it just felt fancy. I'm not sure अगर ये कुछ कर रहा था या नहीं, but definitely एक spa में बैठ के having a good massage वाला feeling आ रहा था. You can have it on the days when you're really feeling low or something like this and pamper yourself. The last product which I got is this Guasha. Again, thank you to Instagram because बहुत देखा मैंने Instagram पे इसको भी. So it's to be used along with the face roller, as they say. It's supposed to give your face a nice lift and stuff, and it was pretty fun to work with. To be honest, the last two tools were like my most favorite from this entire list. So yeah, if you want to give yourself a self pampering session or something like that, then you definitely can use it. That's it for the video. Do let me know if you like this. Bye.